What's going on, YouTube? This Big Pencil coming at you again with a nut. Dove hunt number 2 in our field here. And we did pretty good. There was a lot of birds in here. It was real early. Real early. They come in here and feed. It was overcast. It was cloudy all day. And we got in here a little bit earlier than we normally do. And we did pretty good. It took me 27 shots to get 15 birds. And I missed some that I know I should have killed. You know, it was a couple shots I was ashamed of. But that's all right. We got it done. Stand by. We're going to bring you a hunt. I got him stunned. I have nothing else to do. And there was probably... Alright, hold on. Let me walk get my bird. Alright. Later. I had to shoot that one with the phone in my hand. I knew I hit that damn bird. I knew I hit that bird, Sean. He fell out the tree dead. All right, D, behind us. Over the pond. I killed that one here. All right, Sean. All right, Jeff. Yeah. He's up there a little ways, but I tried him. Hot dang. Boy, that sucker hit the hooping squad on me right there, that first shot. My God. Hi, Jeff. Boy, when I'm telling you, when I put the gun up, he vanished. I don't know where he went. I had to take the gun down to find him again. That sucker hit that, he hit that wind, boy. That sucker vanished on me. I had to dig down deep into the box to pull that one out. All right, Hunter, over your head. Hi, Robert. Robert, right there. Right there to your left. To your left. I got him stunned. Watch him there, Tim. I'm coming up behind you. Bastard bird. I'm slap shanning myself missing that thing. Cut you off, Parnell. Cut you off, boy. He was. He got stopped a little early. Boy, that thing hit the old hooping squad on me. Right there, D. Hell, I ain't got no more shells in the gun. Oh, Jacob, behind you. D, David. Right there, Tim. Tim, coming at you. Excuse me, Hunter. It took me 27 shots.